Omarete Vilato, Pressure Production, doing laundry, guys. I am a multitasker. I could sweep, I could mop, I could sweep, I could fold the clothing, clean the house, do the dishes. This is what you call multitasker, you know. No job is too big for me. I'll do it all. The only thing I don't do is cooking, because not because I don't know, it's just because I don't know. I just don't haven't take the chance to do so. For me, I do everything. I walk the dog. I got 3 jobs. I mean, this is what we're supposed to do. This is what men's supposed to do. Supposed to help around the house. Not because you need to, because you have to. You have to help the house. You have to be a helping hand. You have to be a helping hand so everything will run smoothly. So that's what I do. I enjoy doing it. I don't have no problem doing it. And you're probably wondering why I'm doing laundry outside of my house. Well, my washing machine broke. So I'm doing laundry in my son's apartment, in the building that he lives in. That's what I'm doing laundry. This is straightforward, guys. This is nothing to it. Doing laundry is the most easy stuff to do. I'm telling you. So right now, nothing to it. I'll give you an advice. I'm gonna give you an advice to mostly to the men. If you're gonna do laundry, right? If you're going to do laundry, make sure you fold your clothing. Otherwise, you're gonna have a hard time. So fold your clothing. Fold them. Simple as that. There's nothing to it. It's a very straightforward process. I enjoy doing this stuff. But the reality, the thing that I like the most is to do the dishes. To do the dishes. And by the way, if you have a better method of folding, I'm not an expert on folding clothing, but I try to do my best. If you have a better method, leave it in the comment down below, and I will reply, and I will probably, next time around, I will follow your instruction, and I will do it the way you want me to, so like that I could do it faster and learn it better. So this is a very straightforward process, guys. Nothing to it. If you're wondering what type of soap am I using, it's up to you. It's up to you what type of soap you want to use. Some of us are allergic to our bodies are allergic to different type of soap. I'm gonna show you what I use. Nothing expensive. This is what I'm using right here. Also, you could use softener, and you could use also this if you want to. Take 1 or 2 sheets, put it in the dryer, and your clothing won't have no statics when they dry when you take them out. But it's not worth feeling when you finish drying your clothing and you try to touch it, you get static. Man, this is a simple process, man. This is like taking a candy from a little kid. So once again, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, Omarete Vilato, Pressure Production. I tell you, I was gonna make video what I do on my regular life, on my day-to-day basic life. Told you I was gonna do it. I like to share. Sharing is caring. I know not a lot of you guys will do this, but I don't mind. I really don't mind. I really don't mind doing it. This is the bag that I use to put in the clothing. Let me put it in the side. I'm not showing you what I'm folding right now because I'm gonna tell you what I'm folding right now. I'm folding my underwears. And I'm gonna show you my underwear, but I'm just folding them. So, I don't know. Sound crazy, right? Sharing is caring. Man, this is so simple. It's so simple. For me, this is like a therapy. It's therapy doing laundry, doing dishes, doing doing the show around the house. It's a therapy for me. I enjoy doing it. One more thing, when you're washing your clothing and they are backwards, fold it the right way. Fold it the right way, so like that, when you're gonna wear them, you don't have to put them the right way. It's already done, and it's cleaner. You know, it's nice. Nice. There. Some of you guys are gonna think I'm crazy. It's not. This is what I do. This is what I do. I don't have a method to fold anything. I just try to fold them so they could look good. Just try to fold them so they could look good, nice and clean. That's my method to it. I know some of you guys are expert on folding, and I just want to make it look neat and clean. That's all. That's what I want. I don't want to go too crazy. This is my summer clothing that I'm washing. Probably next week I will wash my winter clothing. Well, this is summer / winter / fall / spring. I hardly buy any clothing. I just wear the same thing. Guys, I'm lucky. When you do the laundry, I just find $5. That's when you do the job, the right job, you find money. Guys, another $1. So far, $6. It's still wet, so let me go a little bit more. I'm gonna show you guys what I have done so far. I'm gonna cut it right here. Thank you for watching. Omarete Vilato, the basement production, guys.